Dear friends, in this video, I will tell you how you can disconnect Facebook from Instagram. It's a step-by-step process. If you like the video, please like it. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. So in the first step, you have to open your Chrome browser. Second step, go to the Instagram.com website. Third step, log in with your Gmail account. Steps number 4. 18%. Pedro de tres linhas. Say, haciendo gordas. Steps number 5. Tigui. 6. Settings. Yena. We roosed off. Do. When I'll root. Misa also send it on Steve on the Steps number 7. In step number 8, here, you have the one you want to remove. This is my connected Facebook. I want to revoke it. Or we will click on Move. A confirmation may appear that you are subscribing, and we will click here. And in this way, Facebook will be disconnected. Hopefully you found this video informative. If you did, please like the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, press the bell icon, and definitely share this video with your friends.